Meaning of housemaster.
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 Housemaster. Housemaster refers to a person responsible for overseeing the daily operations of a residential building or dormitory. They typically handle tasks such as maintenance, security, and managing the staff. The housemaster may also be responsible for ensuring that residents adhere to specific rules or regulations, and for organizing social events or community building activities. A housemaster is often employed at academic institutions or boarding schools, but can also be found in other settings such as hotels or apartment complexes. Overall, their main goal is to provide a safe, comfortable, and well-functioning environment for those living under their supervision.